Hi everybody, and welcome back to Slide into English, where we learn about the English language through slideshows, stories, and comprehensible input. If you haven't seen it already, you might like to see my video on the wouldn't, shouldn't, and couldn't contractions. Here we have would've, could've, and should've. When we have would and have, we get would've. Should and have becomes should've. Could and have become could've. Let's continue. How come you didn't clean the house? I would've, but I've been so busy. We're all busy. If I said the same thing yesterday, you would have been so mad. Next slide. Why is there coffee all over the floor? I spilt it. Sorry, I should have told you. I don't care about that. You should have just cleaned it up. You're probably right. So, will you do it then? Always clean up your mess, guys. Last slide. I miss Julia. Why didn't you tell her how you feel? You could have done that. I don't think so. I'm too shy. She could have ignored me. It's better than how you're feeling now, I guess. If you want to hear about more English contractions, or you would like to see more lessons in this style, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for attending and for listening, and I hope to see you again in another lesson very soon. Thank you very much.